Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share with you guys new deals on Savings Star. A lot of you guys enjoy this because a lot of you guys forget to add this to your account. But let's just see what we got for new deals. Now, some of these deals I am not putting on because of Checkout 51. But I'm waiting for Checkout 51. I'm waiting till I hit the $20 threshold, and then I'm gonna end my account and start a new one. But here we got the Barilla pasta. I know that's gonna be a freebie, so I'm just gonna add that. Okay. Here we got Advil, $3 off. That ends in a week, so definitely want to do that. I'm just gonna do the Ollie. I don't think I'll ever get it, but you never know. Here we got a Cedrin. I know that's gonna be a freebie at Walmart. Gliss and Got to Be. Why is this doing this to me? Okay. Then we got more Gliss, and then Smooth and Shine. I'm not sure really what that is, but it's only available at certain locations, so I'm going to add it because I saw a coupon for it. 50% or 50 cents off Purex, and then 75 cents off a soft scrub. Yeah. $2 off Persil and Ricola. There's a $1 off too. I don't know why it does this. It's hard to look through my camera when I'm doing this. We got Quilted Northern and Advil, Nexium, and more Excedrin. I'm pretty excited for these Excedrin deals. And then we got Turkey Hill ice cream, which I don't think I have anywhere near me. And then some of this stuff. This is 50 cents off of Walmart. My Checkout 51 has it too, but I'm gonna wait on Checkout 51. We got Fiji water, Fiji hairspray, men's hairspray, and I think Savings or Checkout 51 has that too, so that's why I'm not adding that. And then here's some of the monthly things that they added. I just haven't added it yet. But that was all in my Savings Star. So if you guys want to do some deals, definitely add them to your account. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.